Well, we are leaving Salt Lake City this morning and we're headed towards Oregon. We're going to try finding a campsite near Bend, Oregon, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. I've got to meet at the hotel where we're going to be staying at for the week and get ready to go riding tomorrow afternoon. So it's going to be an exhausting day. So no real adventures today. However, it might be a little scenic. We're going to cut up through Utah here and then into Idaho. Need to make a pit stop in Boise to find some elbow pads and knee pads, and then we'll head straight into Oregon. So we are pretty excited about getting there tonight. We stopped off in Twin Falls, Idaho to grab a little lunch. We had no idea that we're going to be stopping to see this when we got here. So, pleasantly surprised. We ate lunch, kind of had a little bit of this view. This may not be a place for people who are scared of heights. So that was base jumping. We hung around here for a while just to be able to watch them jump, but it was worth it. That was really cool seeing them do backflips and all kinds of crazy jumps off there. So we're gonna get back in the car and start heading west so we can get into Oregon tonight and find a camping spot. So probably delays by about an hour or so, but that's all right. It was worth it. It was really cool. I didn't get get a chance to video, but they had a Tesla charging station, and we saw like 3 or 4 Teslas there charging up. So that was kind of neat to see that. I hadn't really seen one before. Sarah said she'd seen some. And I think we're getting some charging stations in Bowling Green very soon. So we're somewhere kind of in south central Idaho, and it is windy as all get out, on the highway especially. And the last time we experienced anything like this is when we were driving through New Mexico and Arizona on Route 66. It's pretty intense. So Sarah let me rest for a little bit, so I'm going to take over driving now and head on towards Boise. Well, we survived the heavy wind through a lot of Idaho, and now we're in Oregon, and it looks pretty flat here in the area we're at right now. A lot of farmland, but in the distance you can see hills and knobs and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So we got a couple hour drive to Bend, and we're going to stay the night at another KOA campground. So KOA, if you see this video and you want to sponsor us for our next road trip, we would love for that to happen. It'd be awesome. And we're excited. More showers tonight. Wake up refreshed and ready to go tomorrow when I have to get on a bike. So we've been traveling towards Bend pretty much all afternoon. A lot of these roads have been just like completely straight. We just want to take a quick break because the sun's been just glaring right in our eyes for the last hour or so. So this little area right here to look at. So we just thought we'd get out and stop for like a minute just to stretch our legs. Waking up bright and early here at the KOA campground in Culver, Oregon. We slept in the car last night. It got pretty cold here, but we were warm as can be. Our friends that we came out here with met here, Mickey and Dana got in late last night, and they just woke up, so we're gonna go grab showers and get ready and do all that. So we just had breakfast with Mickey and Dana and Sara and at the campsite. It's pretty good. And we're driving to Bend right now, and we're getting ready to start our biking adventure. Snow-capped mountains in the background, pretty cool. I don't know how much video I'll be doing of the biking. I think I'm going to give this camera to Sara today and just focus on not dying on the mountain bike trails from like exhaustion. But pretty excited about it, and we'll be in Bend soon. So Mickey and I are getting ready here in a few minutes to get on our trip, and Dana and Sara are going to be run/walking a 5K here in town. So we're pretty excited about that. So I think I'm going to leave the camera with Sara, and she may try to get a few shots of some stuff, and I'll have some GoPro footage of the mountain biking stuff.
You should see those guys. They made it look like a kid.
Well, got here to Bend and was able to ride today. Rode 2 different trails. Had a blast. The mountain bike trails here are just unbelievable, and had a great time. Mickey went over the bars once. I slammed my knee into the stem by the handlebars and kind of hurt my knee a little bit, but I'll be all right. Came back here to the DoubleTree, and then went out to eat tonight. Had a great time. Biking with a bunch of people from Chattanooga, Tennessee, and we're from Bowling Green, Kentucky, so that's not too far away. And came to find out that one of the people in their group works with one of our really good friends down there, so that was a really neat coincidence. And having a great time. Tomorrow, more trails. I think I'm going to take the camera with me tomorrow. Hopefully Sara got some good clips from around town from their 5K that they did. But well, have a good night. Tomorrow mountain biking, and so another big day of downhill riding today. We just had breakfast and loading up the bikes, getting ready to make our sandwiches for lunch in a little bit. We're going to stop on the trail and eat lunch. A little chilly here, but not too bad. It's warming up a little bit quicker. So I'll have the camera with me to get some action shots today. It's going to be pretty sweet.
And then we'll climb up to Bill's, and then we'll finish with Whoops.
They wanted your van right by us. Where is the white?
There's Mickey.
How did we get there?
Yeah.
Hey, but it's camel.
All right, 1, 2, 3, nice.
So this doesn't look like a lake, but it's a lake.
This is good.
So they stopped here to just take a couple pictures and see this
No, I don't worry.
swampy lake.
I thought I had it in the parking lot. Oh, you can just
Mickey rocking the Ion again.
We've got more in the van.
Guys, did you want to go ahead? Yeah, let me go ahead.
Yeah, that's somebody's stuff.
Yeah, he can just, I mean, he'll never touch the ground.
Right.
Stopping off here at the waterfalls. I think we're gonna hike up to the top here in a little bit, maybe even walk behind the falls. How's it going so far, Mickey? You gotta go.
I'm good.
Come this way. You got a guy right behind you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm trying to direct you over this way. Good so far?
Yeah, good so far. Altitude's a killer.
Then we'll quit hogging the real estate. So what's the name of these falls?
This is Tumalo Falls.
All right. This burned several years ago. This is kind of how it's come back. So we've kind of hit the middle of our ride. We're gonna eat lunch here in a few minutes, and then I think we're shuttling to another trail that's supposed to be pretty epic. We're ready to do about 3 miles of climbing and a lot of fun downhill. So hopefully it's worth it. So just finished day 2. Did some incredible trails, whoops, and just some of the iconic bend trails. It was a blast. So we got some of the footage on Mickey's Ion again, so we'll have some of that included in it. Tomorrow, huge day for us, going to McKenzie River, I believe. I think it's McKenzie River, and it's going to be a blast as well. And I'll probably wear the camera tomorrow, and man, just incredible out here. We're right and early headed to Oak Ridge, Oregon, to do the Alpine Trail today. It's about a 2-hour shuttle over there, so we split into 2 vehicles, so it wouldn't be as bad, but pretty cool getting to go over to this place. We looked at it online last night, and it's pretty sweet. I know, there's my lake. We climbed forever in the van to get up here to this level. I think we're at like 4,000 feet, and we still have to climb another like 1,300 feet in this trail. But it's going to be a huge downhill, and I'm wearing the Ion today. We've climbed a lot to get up to this elevation. We got, I think they said a little bit more climbing, and then we've got a ton of downhill. But this view is worth it.
You know?
Said no mountain biker ever.
You know? So, this is just so good by comparison.
So we rode a lot today, massive downhills, awesome fun, and stopping now to see a waterfall. Stopped off at a river and got in the river. It's freezing cold, just to get washed off. Also went down pretty hard today, but it will survive.
So Dana and I got a wild hair and decided we were just gonna pay the $1 toll and cross the bridge to go to Washington today. So this is Dana's first time in Washington. So this is the bridge that we're riding.
And it's see-through, it's metal, and it's scary.
It's a little sketchy.
Narrow.
But totally worth it.
It feels like it's moving.
But it's totally worth it. Your first time in Washington.
Sara is driving back.
Yes. That's exciting.
My hands are white-knuckled on the steering wheel, and I'm nervous. But I will set foot in Washington.
Yay! Alright guys, so we are at Columbia River Gorge. We're gonna hike Waterfalls. It's really beautiful so far. And we're gonna climb over this big pile of logs here in just a minute, but here it is. It's cold when it gets to your belly, just FYI. This guy's got the right idea. Woo. Which way did you say you thought was closer to the...
Well, they told us to stay to the right, but I don't know.
I don't know that I think it's going to be shallow either way.
I think either way, right?
So right now this water is up to my chest and it is so cold.
Oh my god. I'm never going on Pinterest.
Dana said she's never going on Pinterest again. Wow, that was cold. That was Dana. Apparently she thinks it's cold too. So this is the reason that we went through that cold mess. But there's a waterfall up here and it's really pretty. So we'll show you in just a minute.
Man, what an adventure. This is a long time coming on getting this video uploaded, edited, and everything. Fortunately, now I can do it from my phone, which is really cool. But back when we videoed all this, that was not going to happen. So it just took a little time to get it all worked out. But I had such a blast seeing the base jumping there at Twin Falls, Idaho. That was unexpected. We just wanted some Chick-fil-A. We just got off the highway, saw it was like 2 miles out this road, so started driving. Boom, there was the river, there was the bridge, and then got into town and then just parked and just randomly happened to see that. So it was really cool to see that and all that. Mountain biking was amazing. I would recommend Bend and that part of the world to anybody to go mountain biking. If it's your first time, if it's your 50th time, whatever. So much fun. Truck Travels was a blast. They did such a good job, and we loved every second of it. I know Sara and Dana had a great time on their adventure up into Washington and wading through that cold water. I want to give a plug real quick to Dana and Mickey's business, Fireside RV Rental in Black Hills, South Dakota. If you're ever going that way for a vacation, Mount Rushmore, the Black Hills, all that stuff up there, look them up on Facebook. I believe how their setup works is they have RVs available to rent out at a campsite, and you're basically a really good base camp locally, fairly local, to travel out to these different national parks and different sites out there. So check them out, Fireside RV Rental in Black Hills, South Dakota. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to get the next one loaded up right quick, and we're headed into California.